everybody, it's me Megan here at FITLife. Coming to talk to you today about the answer is not in the fridge. Whatever your problem might be, emotionally, physically, whatever it is, the answer is not in the fridge. Food is not the solution, unless you're hungry, of course, to life's problems. It is temporary satisfaction that means an increased state of adrenaline and heightened awareness and cortisol that has been released. And really what's happening is your body is becoming self-destructive in this state that you are in. And what you want to do is take a moment to breathe, ask yourself why this is occurring, how you're going to address the problem, and move forward from there. And not to say that I have all of life's answers, but I know that food is only a temporary fix. There's a much greater problem at hand that needs to be addressed and not avoided through food. And that's what it is. It's trying to get through a moment or a crisis that you feel by suppressing it with food that satisfies a craving. And honestly, it's only doing more harm than good to that problem. So I'm here to help you to get through those problems. Ask for my advice, and I'll give my best answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Thank you.